What is the difference between constant pressure and constant volume? The definition of a constant pressure is that pressure stays the same during the process, while constant volume is that volume stays the same during the process. Volume can change in constant pressure, while the changing change in constant volume. For constant pressure, what is that? Does the gas expand or compress? While the constant volume is that no work done because the volume does not change. The example of a constant pressure is that heating gas in an open container, while the constant volume is that heating gas in a sealed rigid container. In conclusion, constant pressure is that pressure is fixed but the volume can increase or decrease, while the constant volume is that volume is fixed so the pressure can change when temperature change.
Dynamics, some processes are chaotic, but the isobaric process is all about the balance. It's defined by one simple rule, which is a constant pressure P. Imagine a gas inside a cylinder with a piston that is free to move. When we add heat, the gas expands because the piston moves upward to make room. The internal pressure stays exactly the same. We call this boundary work. Calculating that work W is straightforward because the pressure doesn't fluctuate. W equals to P times V2 volume 2 minus volume 1. It's simply the pressure multiplied by the change in volume. But where is that energy transfer actually going? According to the first law, the heat we add, Q, has two jobs. Part of it increases the internal energy, making the molecules move faster, and the rest is the actual physical work of moving that piston. On a PV diagram, this looks like a perfectly horizontal line, and because we are at a constant pressure, we can track the total heat transfer using enthalpy.
I will explain about correct terminology. Correct terminology is important when explaining thermodynamic concepts. Pressure, or P, refers to the force exerted by gas particle on the wall of a container. Next, temperature, or T. Temperature measures the average kinetic energy of particles, meaning higher temperature causes particles to move faster. Next, heat. Heat is the transfer of thermal energy from hotter object to colder object due to temperature effect work. Work occurs when energy is transferred as a force causes movement, such as when a gas expands or is compressed. Lastly, energy. Energy is the ability to do work and can exist in different forms such as heat or kinetic energy.
Volume increase in constant pressure process because the relationship between temperature and volume in gases, so we can describe by Charles' law in thermodynamics. When a gas is heated, gas molecules gain kinetic energy, so they can move faster. The volume increase while pressure stay constant. Heat enters the system when a gas is heated and internal heat source, causing the gas to expand while pressure remain constant. And heat leave the system when the gas release heat to the surrounding, causing the gas to cool and its volume to decrease.